Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress to create a landing page. We'll start by understanding the core purpose of a landing page, to convert visitors into leads or customers. Then, we'll dive into the fundamental steps to begin building your page directly within the WordPress environment. You'll see how WordPress offers a highly flexible and powerful platform, allowing you to craft effective pages without needing extensive coding knowledge. This foundational knowledge is crucial for anyone looking to boost their online presence and achieve specific marketing goals. Every effective landing page shares common, crucial elements designed to maximize conversions. First, a clear, benefit-driven headline is paramount, capturing attention within seconds. Next, a single, compelling call to action, often a button, guides your visitor to the desired next step. Incorporate high-quality, relevant imagery or video to visually engage your audience. Remember to keep your copy concise and focused, highlighting key benefits. Finally, include trust-building elements like testimonials or security badges to reassure potential customers and encourage them to act. WordPress offers a robust ecosystem of tools and plugins to simplify landing page creation. Page builders like Elementor or Beaver Builder provide intuitive drag-and-drop interfaces, allowing you to design professional layouts without code. You'll also need plugins for essential functions, such as contact forms like WP Forms and analytics tools to track performance. Consider optimization plugins for speed and SEO. Integrating these tools effectively creates a seamless workflow, empowering you to build sophisticated landing pages efficiently and enhance their overall effectiveness for your marketing campaigns. Before launching, optimizing your landing page is crucial for success. Conduct a /B testing on elements like headlines or calls to action to identify what resonates best with your audience, aiming for even a 1 or 2% improvement in conversion rates. Ensure your page is fully mobile responsive, providing an excellent experience on all devices, from desktops to smartphones. Implement basic SEO best practices to improve visibility in search results. Finally, publish your page and continuously monitor its performance using analytics, making data-driven adjustments to achieve your conversion goals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.